Welcome back to Money Matters. We are talking about money and marriage this evening, as I said before, and we're still with Elizabeth and Michelle from the Barbados Public Workers Cooperative Credit Union Limited. And the next question I have for you, Michelle, is what can the credit union do to help couples manage their finances?
We have a financial education unit where our members can call and make an appointment to come in and see one of our advisors. The first thing that the advisor would do is go through your income and your expenses. So it is very important that you be clear and you be honest and forthright and just let us know all of your expenses and any source of income, because it doesn't necessarily have to be just your salary. You know, people do things on the side. They might sell bread or cut lawns or things like that.
Yeah.
So we look at all your income and compare to your expenses, and we help you to develop a budget. We have various products to help you stick to that budget. For instance, we have the vacation club account. So if you're planning for a vacation, you deposit funds to that account. There's also the home builders account, which obviously is very important if you're thinking of owning your home in the future, that you can deposit funds to as well. There's the Christmas club account. So we have a number of accounts in terms of savings. We also have investment products. So there's the Premier Plan account. The Premier Plan account is a tiered account where the interest rate increases over each year, and it's a 5-year plan. In addition to those, we also have loan products. So we lend money to help you achieve practically anything. For the same travel, if God forbid you had a funeral, funeral expenses, mortgages. We also lend money to purchase land. And one really important thing that we offer financing for is education. And that is extremely important, especially now that you have to pay for tertiary education.
Right.
So whether you decide that you're going to start saving towards education, or if it's too late and is that you want to further your education for you to save the funds, then you can consider an education loan with us. In addition to the financial education unit, which is a free service that's available to our members for persons who are now starting out and who are considering getting married, we have a wedding registry. Okay,
that's great. So on that note then, what is the wedding registry all about?
It's actually called the Perfect Union Wedding Registry, and is a product which we launched at the Barbados Public Workers Credit Union, which is a solution between the traditional gift registry and cash. So when persons come into our organization and they're signed up for our wedding registry, what we do is we provide them with the counseling, and we give them a wealth of information provided in what we call the Lifetime Starter Kit. So this information contains all the valuable tips that you would need for a successful marriage. The kit also includes cards, which you give to your friends or guests who will be coming to your wedding, and they come to the credit union to purchase gift vouchers.
Okay.
And these gift vouchers then, in turn, obviously, would be the gift for you. So it's more tasteful than just giving you cash.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Part of the Lifetime Starter Kit, actually, is the free services of a wedding planner. And the wedding planner, she comes in and she helps you with planning your big day.
Okay. So Elizabeth, tell me, is it possible to come in and get a loan for wedding expenses?
Yes, you can. You will need to provide proof of the wedding, which will be either a wedding invitation or a letter from the pastor or priest who will be officiating at the wedding. You also will need to provide any other expenses that will incur for the upcoming wedding.
Okay.
A recent pay slip as well as a job letter is also required.
Okay, so that is like with most other loans, how you have to provide that information.
Yes.
Okay. So is there a maximum limit that you can get for this type of loan?
As long as you qualify, we will provide the facility for you.
Okay.
The maximum unsecured amount, though, that we would lend is $20,000.
Right.
If you need more and you're qualified for more than that, then you will have to offer security. Security could be the cash surrender value on an insurance policy. It can be a vehicle, things like that, shares in a company, anything like that we will take as security, so that if you need in excess of $20,000, it could still possibly be made available to you.
Okay, got you. And so Elizabeth, tell me, does one have to be a member in order to take advantage of this type of facility?
Yes, definitely. Everyone that wants to borrow from the credit union must be a member of the Public Workers Credit Union. And the requirements for that will be 2 forms of ID, proof of address, which will be a utility bill, and $125 in cash.
Okay.
I want to take this opportunity to mention that anyone can join the credit union. So it's not only for public servants, it can be anybody that can join the credit union. And we have 4 branches: Belmont, Broad Street, Emerald City in St. Philip, and Carlton, which is located in Black Rock.
Okay, great
Or
stuff.
you can call our contact center at 430-5200.
So ladies, I have a scenario to put to you. Let's say I'm married, but I wanted to come to the credit union to get a loan independent of coming with my spouse. Let's say it's for a vehicle or even for a piece of land. Let's say I have children from a previous relationship and I wanted to get a loan for land to leave for my children. How possible is it for one spouse to operate independent of the other when it comes to getting financing?
Well, let me deal with the vehicle loan first. That one is very simple. You can easily just come in and apply for a vehicle loan on your own, and the vehicle would be yours if you so desire.
Right.
If you wish, you can also put your wife on the bill of sale so that she will be part owner with you.
Okay.
But your question was whether or not you can come in and do it on your own. The answer to that is yes, you can come in and do it on your own. In terms of a mortgage or purchasing land, yes, you can come in and do it on your own, but you must be very mindful of the fact that there's still legal implications, and there is the possibility that your partner will have claim, though, to your purchase.
Okay.
So it's something that you need to consider, and you need to be fully aware that when you do become married, that your partner does have claim, even though she did not come in and apply for the loan with you.
Like I said before, it really is a business partnership.
I truly believe that everyone should have an account at the Barbados Public Workers Credit Union. We don't charge fees for most things. So if you want a statement, if your balance falls below a certain amount, we wouldn't charge you.
Okay.
So it really and truly, we at the credit union, our service is very personal. Our members know us for the most part by our first names. We build relationships, and we really do have an interest in ensuring that you meet your objective and that your dreams come true. So join us.
What I will add to that is that Public Workers Credit Union is really the place where you belong. And as Michelle said, we build relationships, and we want to continue those relationships for a long time. We have just celebrated our 45 years in existence, and we hope to continue doing that for another 50 years. So, as I said, this is where you belong, and we want everyone to enjoy it.
Well said. Hi, do you want to win $500 just in time for Christmas? Well, watch Money Matters TV show every Thursday at 8:02 on CBC TV 8, repeated on Sundays at 4 p.m. All you have to do is watch for the question of the day and text the word money plus the answer to short code 2216 for your chance to win. Text as many times as you like, whether you're with Flow or Digicel. Happy texting and good luck. And the question of the day for this week is, which beautiful property in Barbados is Money Matters filmed at? I I want to thank you both for being here. I sure learned a lot, and I'm hoping that the public learned a lot too. And that's it for another wonderful session of Money Matters. See you next week, same time, same place.
Thank you for having us.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
The Barbados Public Workers Cooperative Credit Union.